Hey guys, Ben here, and today I shall be doing an unboxing of the Spyderco knives, which I recently bought off a fellow member on the page on Facebook. They finally have turned up, so I'll be using the Spyderco Parameter 2 to open it. This is my first unboxing, so hopefully everything goes well. Going to it's no match for this knife. It's very well packaged. There we go. And that should be it. Yep, very well packaged indeed. There's one of them. And here's the other. Nothing else in the box. Chuck that to the side. So let's see what we got here. That didn't work. Excellently packaged. It's brilliant. I've been waiting for these for about, well, they're about 5 days late because of the raw mail and the greatest in the world. They're I've fallen out with them, so to speak. So I'm not on good terms with them at the moment. I still have other things on the way which I should do unboxings of and whatnot. But so here's one. It's this packaging wasn't made for unboxings, but I'm not complaining. It means that the knives are nice and safe and they're during their transit. To the side. Right. As you can see, these were both bought from Henny Haynes. So at one point. So here's the two knives. I just quickly went into the spare room because it has better lighting, so I was wanting to quickly run in here and continue with the video. As I was saying, I bought these two off a trading page on Facebook in which these knives are pre-owned, so they are not going to be in perfect condition, but that doesn't bother me because they are supposedly still mint. They are really good condition. So move on to the side. We'll do it on the left first. And as you can see, it is the Spyderco Parameter 2, another one, with the black G10 scales and the satin blade. As you can see, very nice. Fast deployment. Got some marks on the blade, but that's just fingerprint, I can only assume. Pocket clip the way I like it. Very nice. So, very nice indeed. This is the Parameter 2 compared to the one with the DLC coated blade and the camo pattern scales. Very nice knives indeed. So, let's put them to the side. I'll go on with the next one. Just going to move the box out of the way. So the next one is a knife which I've never had before and I've never even seen before in person. It is the Spyderco Manix 2. Get plastic away. Got a lot more heft in the Parameter 2, but it's to be expected with the fatter handles. Quickly show you a quick comparison. but it's got a lot more heft to it. Very smooth action, wonderful action. Jimping on the back. Very comfortable blade. I can't seem to get as much. I've got quite big hands, so I don't feel like I've got as much purchase on the handle on the Parameter 2. But it's still a very comfortable knife to hold. Sorry, it's not the camera. Same issue with the Parameter 2. It's just got some fingerprints on the blade. But that's obviously no problem. The G10 feels a little bit grippier than the Parameter 2. Similar, it's about the same as the Digicam, because I haven't with the Black G10 scales, it feels a tad smoother than the Digicam scales, and this feels a bit rough. It's not bad. Very comfortable knife, as I said. So that's the end of that video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. This was my Spyderco unboxing, and as you know, this is my first knife unboxing and my first knife video. So thanks very much for watching and bearing with us. There'll be a review on each of these knives coming out soon. So stay tuned for that. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.